Do you want to start making money online with trading, but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll explain binary options in just 3 minutes. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. What is binary options? Binary options trading is one of the simplest forms of trading. You only answer one question. Will the price go up or down? That's it. If your prediction is correct, you earn a fixed profit, sometimes up to 90%. If you're wrong, you lose your investment. It's fast, simple, but also risky, so learning is very important. How it works. Here's how a trade works. Choose an asset, like EUR/USD, gold, or Bitcoin. Choose the time, for example, 1 minute or 5 minutes. Predict the direction. Up, call, upward. Down, put, downward. Enter your trade amount. If your prediction is correct when time ends, you win. Example, if you invest $10 and win with 80% profit, you get $18 total. Beginner tips. Before you start, here are 3 important tips. Start with a demo account. Practice without risk. Learn basic strategies, like support and resistance. Manage your money. Never risk more than 2 to 5% per trade. And remember, binary options is not gambling if you learn and follow a strategy. Warning. Be careful. Many beginners lose money because they trade without knowledge. Take your time to learn, practice, and stay disciplined. Call to action. If you want to learn more about trading strategies and make consistent profits, follow this page and join my free Telegram group. Let's grow together and start trading smart. Rocket ship.